Beloved, I wish I could stand where you stood, serving the messenger of Allah with all my heart. If Allah blesses me with that honor, my soul would find eternal peace. Oh, messenger of Allah, son of Allah, your love is the light within my heart. Every step I take, I pray to follow your blessed path. Mm-hmm.